Alright, so I'm printing another door for the GoPro, but I was looking at all the different stuff on here. There's some pretty interesting stuff that you can print for a GoPro. Specifically some of the old ones too. So there's another battery door. Lens filter wrench, that's kind of cool. Logitech C70 webcam replacement. Does anybody still use these? I mean, I have a camera that looks a lot like this one. It was right here. These ones, I've recommended them on the channel before. They're covered in kind of a nice, like, soft rubber. They have a funny little HDMI out. I was thinking about using one. So they do have, like, the front screen, but they're basically your typical, you know, what do you call that company, that Hobby King, you know, type of RC one. They're too small to be a GoPro, but they're really close to the Hero 3 in size, I think. I mean, for the technology, if this was, like, you know, out when the Hero 3 came out, then it probably would have been pretty popular. But not really all that amazing. So anyway, yeah, I'm just going to print this thing and try and use up the rest of this filament. So there was a case on here I was going to show you guys. Yeah, it's like a crash case. Yeah, like that. Right here. So I'm gonna probably try and print this case here. Let's see. Come on. Okay, so that's the case. Setting him, like, you know, spot for the door and something else. So I think it's pretty cool. So we're gonna try and do that tomorrow.